Hey you guys, I am in Target and I just stumbled across these lipsticks by Colored Rain.
Go ahead and do it, yeah.
And I've never seen these before. And it's a matte lip paint. This one is, it says Mars. There's different ones. This one is Mocha. And I think these are $17. That sounds a bit pricey, but I'm not familiar with Colored Rain brand. There's Mary. So there's all kinds of different ones, and these are over in the clothing section. And then I see a focal point glow lighter. Look at that, no flash needed, pressed highlighter. So that one in no flash needed. And then here's one called Selfie, and this one is called Just Peachy. And I think that's it for those. And then here's some bronze luster. This one is called Sunkissed. So there's different ones of that. And then this is Makeup Geek. Here's a highlighter compact. Oh, okay, so this stuff right here is Makeup Geek, and that's Colored Rain. Makeup Geek has burnished, so there's different colors in that. And then what else did I see? Here's some roll-on body glitters. That's really bright. Look at that. Silver, gold, purple, and these are $4.99. Look at these eyelashes called Lash Pop. And there's a blue one, Starlit Studio eyeshadow. And these are $6, and then here's some holographic light year sticks for $7, and those are the colors that I see. I didn't know Target had Makeup Geek though. That's crazy. And then down here I see some Milani stuff. What are these? Eye toppers. So that pretty pearl. There's a blue, like a gold. Here's a light pink or purple, and then there's some lipsticks, and these are $9.99. Okay, so all of that stuff was over in the clothing section, and I literally just walked in. That was the first display I saw, and I bypassed the dollar spot because there wasn't really anything over there. I wish my daughter was small. Oh my goodness, they have the cutest clothing. Look at that sweater by Cat and Jack. I like that. They always have cute stuff here. She would be like, no mama, take that back to the store. But I'm here going back to the seasonal section to just look real quick, so hopefully you guys will want to come with me. But before I make it to the back, here's some of their stuff up here in the front. Here's some of their washi tape. Look at that. And there should be another one, but it's not out yet, I'm sure. But here's this one. That's pretty. And then it looks like you can either get it with the pink roll on the end, or they have one with a silver one. And here's some wiggle stickers for $2.99. Those aren't really that cute. They look like bubbles. Here's some glitter stickers, photo card set, some felt hearts, and this is the Handmade brand. Here's some paper. It all looks like that. What are these? Glitter markers for $4.99. And that's really all I see over here. I don't think they put everything out yet because there's a lot of stuff missing. Okay, I'm almost over to the seasonal section, and I'm laughing at myself because I have literally stopped and looked at probably 30 things before making it back here. They got some cute towels and tablecloths. Some faux plants. These are cute. They kind of look like the ones that was up at the dollar spot, but these look a little bigger. That is $3. Here's this whale by Spritz, and that's $5. This one is cute. A little unicorn for $5. What is this? Like a little tray, and that's $5. What is this down here? String art picture, and that's $6. That's cute. Here's another one. And then these little Valentine unicorns for $5. Look at his hair. It's all fluffy. And then these little signs right here. This one looks messed up. It's actually poking up, but you can stand it up, and these are $6. So usually they have the stickers up in the front where the washi tape was at that I just saw, but it's back here, and it's the spritz foam buckets for $5. How many pieces is in here? Doesn't really say, but these are cute. And then I also see these with the different colors, like purples and blues. And then you have these, looks like dinosaurs and rocket ships and different things in that one. And these are all $5. Oh, look at these cute little donuts, donut shaped Belgian chocolates. These are cute, and they are $7.99. I don't know if this goes back here, but looks like some makeup brushes like that with the little pouch. That's cute. I don't know how much they are. And then they have these. These were out last year. The cute little donut cups for $7.99. Oh, look, I found some makeup bags. With red lipstick, I can conquer the world. And they have a little red pom-pom, and they're $5. And this one is hearts with one red heart. And then this one, I like long romantic walks down the makeup aisle. That's cute with a pink pom-pom. And then there was one back here, treat yourself, for $5. Those are cute. Oh, look, they got those same cookies I was at the Dollar Tree, and they're still in the Dollar Tree. They are $1.99 here, but you can get them at Dollar Tree for $1. But they also have this size or this style right here. Look at this hunk of a man. The perfect man. Bite his head off. Just some little candies. Not much. Oh, a candy bar. What kid wouldn't want this? That's cool. What is that? It's $9.99. It's a tackle box. A candy tackle box. Okay, and over here, you guys, I see some Valentine's Day throws. Look at these cute throws. They are light cream color with pink hearts. And then this one says love something. I don't know what that says. But those are $9.99. And then look at these big fluffy pillows. Oh my goodness. And they have sequins. And the pillows are $19.99. You know I have to swipe that. Look at that. So there's sequins on one side and white on the other side. Those are cute. And then I think these are heart pillows too. Yep. There's gray fur and pink. And these are $20. They have some cute patio furniture right now. Look at that. Look at that table over there. It has the chairs and a bench. Here's a fire pit for $4.49. That's really nice, actually. And these white chairs. You got that table back there with the 2 chairs on it, and these faux cactus. Lots of cute stuff. Okay, but I gotta head over and look at this chair before I leave. Oh my goodness, I want this. I really, really want this. And it's a Southport egg chair with linen cushions for $3.49. Okay, I really like this a lot. I wish it had a like a slide down thing to cover it so you can sit in there if you didn't want it to be, you know, out. But I like that. I even like this blanket on top. That's pretty. Okay. Okay, I'm really thinking about this one. I'm gonna sleep on that, but I have my eyes on that, you guys. I got some cute flower pots over here in the spring section. Those are $13.99. What is this? It's a gold little pot for $9.99. I see that one, and then I see, I think that's what, a bird. I can't reach that, but that one. Those are cute. Oh, here's one. Looks like that. And that's by Opal House. Oh, these are pretty too. Are these candles? Yep, these are candles. Look at the tops. There's different tops. Different ones. How pretty. But those are a bit pricey. $14. I don't know. But I do like the tops of all of them. So I'm back here by the threshold stuff. Look at this. How cute. Why do I want this? You guys know why. Look at this pretty gold apple. How cute is that? Apple paperweight. I don't see a price though, but I like that. And then I just saw these bookends over here that look like paper airplanes. Look at that. And that is $19.99. Here's a phonograph. Metal decor. That's kind of cool too. So now I'm back over here by the home decor, by most of the Opal House stuff. Oh, I can't get over this whole area. I think it's just so pretty. I did not see this when I did my walkthrough. I love this cushion, that pattern. Look at how vibrant that is. That is so pretty. And they have another style right there. Okay, some of this stuff wasn't at the other store I went to. Look at these. Beautiful. But okay, you guys, that's it. Quick little walkthrough. It wasn't too much. I thought it was going to be much more back in the seasonal section, but it wasn't. So I'm going to get out of here because I have some other stuff I need to do. So thank you for coming with me, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Look at that. Pretty. $4.99. Okay, you guys, I was on my way out the door and then I happened to see this only at Target pink unicorn slushie, limited time. So you guys know I have to try it. So you guys, they don't have any more of the slushie. They ran out. I must have missed that train, but they still have the cup. Look at the cup. That is super cute. Look at that. I'm sad that I missed it, but the worker said it tastes like what?
Blue raspberry and watermelon.
Okay, so if you guys tried that, let me know down in the comments. Oh, look, you guys, Starbucks put out their Valentine's Day cups. This is so cute. $14.95 for that one. Then there's this one, the one with the flowers on it. But that is all I see right now besides this one right here. What is this? Vacuum insulated tumbler, keeps drinks hot up to 4 hours. Oh, this is nice. That's kind of nice. That one is $22.95. And this one.